In this video, I'll be discussing about the pop-up boxes in JavaScript. A pop-up box is a window that displays a message along with OK button. It may also contain cancel button, and in some cases it may also contain a text box. There are three types of pop-up boxes in JavaScript. One is alert, second is confirm, and the third is prompt. First, we'll see about the alert box. It is used to display an alert message while executing a code. It is usually used to display error messages while validating forms. It contains only a OK button. The syntax is given alert within brackets, within quotes you can give the message to be displayed. An example is given, that is in script give alert within brackets the message, and on the output side you can see the output displayed in a box with the OK button. Next box, a pop-up box, is confirm, which is used to display a message again, but it returns true or false value depending on the buttons you click. It enables to interrupt processing to ask the user a question and continuous processing based on which button is clicked. It displays a dialog box with two buttons, OK and cancel. When you click OK, it returns true. And when you click cancel, it returns false. We'll see example for this, where there is the variable declaration keyword where, and the variable here is a. Since confirm returns either true or false, if you need to process based on the result, then you have to return this value to a variable. Okay, so that is where a is equal to confirm. Within quotes you give the message to be given within the box. Okay, here the message given is, are you sure you want to delete the file? And if along with this message, as you see in the output, along with this message it displays two buttons, OK and cancel. If OK is clicked, it will return the value true. So in the condition I have given here, if a, that is if the value of a is true, either you can give simply a or you can give a equal to true. Okay, if that is true, a is true, that is the value returned by the confirm box is true. In that case, display a message as file deleted. If I press cancel, in this case, if from the confirm box I press cancel, it will return false, in which case it will be displaying the alert message as file is not deleted. Since I have pressed here in this example the OK button, it is showing the message as file deleted. The next prompt box is used to input a value from a user. It contains a text box where the user enters the value, and also it contains two buttons, OK and cancel. If the user clicks OK, it will return the input value. Otherwise, if you press the cancel button, it will return the null value. User has to click either OK or cancel button to continue the execution of the code after entering the input value. The syntax for using prompt is where, that is the variable declaration keyword, and the variable name equal to, since a prompt returns a value, you have to store this value in some variable. That's why we are using a variable here, where variable equal to prompt within brackets the message. An example is given here where name is the variable name equal to prompt. Within quotes, you give the message. Here the message given is enter your name. When you it will have a text box within it, in this prompt box. There you can enter the name, and that name will be returned to this variable name. Okay. Since the box given is a text box, the value you enter in a text box will be treated as a string. So in order to perform arithmetic operations on the values entered in the text box, you have to convert them into integer or float. We'll see an example. It is here. The program is to add two numbers and display the result using alert. I have used here prompt box for entering the two numbers, and since the numbers entered will be in text boxes, they are treated as strings, so we are converting them into numbers using the built-in function of JavaScript, that is parseInt, that converts the given string into integer. And here C is equal to A plus B, that two variables are added, the values in them are added, and the result is displayed using alert. I am using here plus sign because this is a result is a string, and you have to concatenate that the value of C with the string. So the string operator in JavaScript is plus, so I am using plus here. Only plus should be used here, no comma is allowed in order to print the result. So the result you can see, result is printed as 57 based on the values entered in the text boxes 45 and 12. This is an exercise to do, that is write a JavaScript program to check whether a number is odd or even using all pop-up boxes. And here you have to use all that is alert box, confirm box, and also the prompt box. Prompt box is used to enter the numbers, and alert box is to display the message as even it is a even number, it is a odd number. And this program should be run repeatedly, that is once you run the program and it displays the output, again it should ask whether to run the program again. Okay, do you want to continue? That for that question you have to use the confirm box. That is what is given in the instruction. The program should be able to accept inputs repeatedly using confirm box. That's all. Thank you.